Hey, it's Nina, and I'm gonna do a happy birthday look because it's my birthday, and I'm going out to lunch, and I'm gonna use some colors I don't usually use today because I'm wearing a peachy pink color, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a color called June, and I'm gonna just kind of spot correct some red things on my face, some blemishes, some red places that I want to kind of hide. And I'm just going to kind of color correct some things here. Kind of like a concealer. This is also a base color or foundation color for people that have a lot of redness to their skin. But I'm using it just strategically in some areas that I want to just color correct. So I'm just going to kind of dab that on into a few places. I have a lot of places that are just red, but I don't want to use this all over my face. I'm going to put it on my eyes because my eyes are very red with vessels. I'm just going to use that as a kind of a color correction there. And don't worry what it looks like here because we'll fix all that. And I am going to go in with, let's see, what highlight do I want to cut? What contour do I want to use today? I'm just going to do the one that I always use, which is Astoria. It's probably my favorite contour color. And I'm just going to is in my palette. My palette is like empty. I'm going to try and use it. Let's see. This product is so good that you are not wasteful. I could probably melt that down and get at least 2 or 3. I was getting ready to use a new one. I could probably get at least 2 or 3 more applications out of that. This product is so cost effective. Okay, now I'm going to go over, and this is my lighter highlight. This tin looked empty, and I melted it, and now look and see how much I have left. So there you see what you can do when you melt your tins down. You get a lot more use out of them. I ordered a new tin probably a month ago, and I haven't even opened it yet. I've mixed Frenchie with Desert Sunset. That looks really pretty. So I like that. So let's just put Frenchie on my cheeks. And I think that's it. So there you go. There's my grade at 58 look. Hope you enjoyed it.